What's the meaning of chacha? Chacha. Chacha.
Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Cha-cha can have different meanings depending on the context and culture. In Hindi, it can refer to an uncle, while in Swahili it means to mix. It is also a name for a type of dance in Cuba and a nickname for the Georgian president Mikhail Saakashvili. In Chinese, cha-cha is often used to describe a noisy and chaotic environment or situation. Overall, the meaning of chacha varies widely and depends on the cultural, linguistic, and historical background of the speaker and audience.